The big fish. A long time ago lived a man named Jonah. God told Jonah to go to Nineveh. The people of Nineveh were doing bad things. Jonah did want to obey God. He wanted God to punish the Ninevites. So, Jonah rode a ship to go to a far-away place. When Jonah was on the ship, heavy rain poured. Big waves rose. Everyone was afraid. Everyone wondered why gods were angry. They cast lots to find out whose fault it was. The lot fell on Jonah. Jonah told them to throw him into the sea so storm would stop. When Jonah touched the waters, the storm stopped. A big fish appeared and swallowed Jonah. Jonah was scared. For 3 days he stayed in tummy of the big fish. He said sorry to God. The big fish spat Jonah out into the shore. Jonah was happy. He did as God has warned the Ninevites to stop being bad. The Ninevites stopped sinning and obeyed God. The end! Yay! Great job! Great job! Hi! Hello! Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say mama's name? Can you say dada? Dada? Can you say dada's name? Next. Toy. We have sheep. What does the sheep says? Meh. 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 We have dog. What does the dog says? Woof woof. Woof woof. We have chicken. What does the chicken says? Coca. I know. Ano sabi ng chicken? We have cow. Moo. Moo. We have horse. Yay! Moo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Dog. Woof woof. Woof woof. Sheep. Meh. Meh. Yay! We have Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm we had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. And a neigh in a ba. Point. Hi. Hello. Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say mama's name? Can you say dada? Dada? Can you say dada's name? Yay! Babies first. We have here apricot. Apricot. Wow, apricot. Next, we have, what's this? Apple. 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 What's next? It's pear. 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 Pumpkin. Baby. Pumpkin. Right? Pumpkin. It's egg. Fig. Fig. Broccoli. Broccoli. Next we have ginger. Ginger. Peach. Peach. Guava. Guava. Onion. Onion. Banana. Banana. Next we have, what's this? What's this? It's pomegranate. Yay! This one is peas. Peas. Avocado. Avocado. This one is beetroot. Eggplant. Baby eggplant. Next we have lady's fingers. We have papaya. And yay! We are done. Done.